Usumbot mendirang bak sorka jela ma snyo phalang dhar ulai sngo bha hadu sanpotli laptops shagi Nonghikai jongka Kiang Nangbah Government College Jowai ha kejingelang bala pelong mentakasi rutari gunai wing ha auditorium jongka college ha shwaban sam kini ki laptops shagi Nonghikai la yo kejingkran na in charge principal ma Hercules Toy da ka ba open sngo baya kini ki laptop la kular ban penyo do usumbot mendirang ba na do ubanai nailur uloong ka perthai jong ka technology kala long ka badan kam bat karukam IG kai shegi samla pulie kanya day bat kani ka juk start ba menta ukermen ya ki laptops ki badang sa ban kinjo shaka shispa tali baro ansa penyo ya kini ha ki benai ban wan lingba wemeli ka than uma wailat miki shila ka Kiang Nangbah kala dor menta na ka jingdan ki jaka yat ki jat shwaban rung shapo ka college bat ka ni kala pensuk shibon ya ka yat ka yeng ong uma toy ula pente bru lingba ka master plan an sa penbhai ka college daga batay ya ka additional building ka basaw mala kat bana kaliang uma snyaw bhalang Dhar a jingkran ulo ong ka jingsa mi kini ki sanpo tali ki laptops sya ki Nonghikai ka college ula penyo na ka tulop la jong ula pentip ru ya ka additional building jong ka college an penyo sanction kumba arpusan hado laipo kulur tam akini ki benai banwan but house number 1 araja apnrio an penpha sagi kami le kai sports lingba ki jingtai infrastructure hapo ka college kat kum ka juk menta kum wa met ka than wang nuat shibun ban pelong ya ka ni ka college ka bapau hapo ka jela khnang ba ki samla pule ken thrang ban yorung class hapo ka ni ka college ha ka ju ka por ukwa ban pendu pendam no ya ki jing ong jeng ki babon palang ki ba let pule ha Kiang Nangbah ki dei tang ki bala shakan tat na ki wei pat ki jaka pule ha ka be dei bat ka auditorium uma Dhar ula pentip shen an sedang ban penbha thamai no yaka kini baro kidan ha ka blueprint jong u kum unami khman.
We got this beautification of the our college. This before when you enter the college, you have to go through the narrow road when, especially at the time when the class started or when the time to start this college or to at the time of the student coming out, you cannot pass through because so many hundred students come out and going out on that road. It's difficult to pass with a vehicle and a student. So therefore, through his initiation, he has done it with providing a 2-meter footpath to the student and enlarging the road, which are present. We are very thankful to you, sir, and we are very happy that now there is no more congestion in the road. And then he also has initiated for this renovation of this hall. And today I'm proudly can say that I have received this master plan. The master plan we have received a day before yesterday. That the area of that new building is around 25,000 square feet per story building. So it is a 5-story building. It will be 1 lakh square feet. 1 lakh square feet of the area of that built-up area, and in big, it will be consist of 8 big classroom of 30 to 50 and 30 to 40 square feet. So it is 8 classroom and.
Ni bahagian the next week without kudo your principal secretary education wakamon to promote further degree college young. The management yawro na manga ko complicate. Strict should be very strict. To am kapor rubiang to bon senida here ka education yung ibig report mo yipi hanin to mo ko daw yung ba college. Bon sen yung man jom buto ka government college na. The bones in the loose hook la papa ne te handai is ke to man ka full confidence katu ku jo pendak video akan den kem akan class la me yom ho do high school Leva kemo bakat kauman kami ki college ki school and ki jo number of student increasing day by day. That it improve the existing college and government institutions. The office problem hak witar wan kasi. Pai da pai di school by LP UP standard. Ila tu hable rationalize kat kauman and the TP we are on the move to reforms, major reforms in education department, and we have to take a strong stand and a strong decision from the government level. Ki skur ko duk Nonghikai claim kena skur. Ki skur ko duk kena claim Nonghikai. Ki skur ko bon duk student Nonghikai claim classroom. Kata duk gini to normal challenge ko face man kasi bai. Ni kamu kelama hepo dan kelama katte to dan ko besar gulas ko nusi ngaw ta uli cek kami de ro. Ile mi ke ko ngidau bon li skur chin jo government. Untuk cimbori with your willingness. Dekajing ngai, dekajing kuat 3 tahun ni mereka balang nak cong. Kuat kau improve education system in the state as well. To improve the education system to na college, it should be right from day one, from nursery. Dekat ni reforms ke education department is too much. Tambah osai, miule awarnai, cimpor ni. Kini kuat ke message ni. Leba uyuh ke kamai le bon drop of students. Bon sini down being college being school has district handai kuat bulaja capitals. Handai poch capitals so nama tanggal Jowai miok pergi bagi palsu. Drop out finally. Tekini you zaman ke problem go ha. Di kamu government ani emi ke move hakili orang percang bentok kami ni. Improve the school sanam dong di college kamptam yo manda aper di city college. The sound to he both GM come makan the new generation mo kami everything is with IT. Kamu mahir yang kita di probing awal US ne muda jong kamu mau nak ni bawa. Di yo gini pura putih kat kau man ni US pelak. Tadi sikit kita. Kami chin di hepo pas nutri begini kena kelas 2 kan ni kiu start bani. Ica kai ni lembaga new technology. You beri kon bu udang arwana mana bam tu hapuni beri mobile, ni beri bam jalan. Jadi udah yak apor,